Okay, so I want to create a backend project. Blogging app uses MySQL. Right now, I want a user and the user login history tables and a few endpoints. So let's get started. Where am I? So I have config.toml setup. Let's run prkserver. Okay, hopefully we have the project there. Okay. CD into blogging app and do a quick cargo. Let's see the contents first. Okay, so main. Okay, middleware's models, routes, database connection, axum, and so we have users all and users, user details all, user details, and then post users and login, listening or port 3000. Okay, let's go into models, user model. So user model has all these fields. Okay, user login history. That's perfect. Let's go to route. Okay, example folder. Get user details. This is behind the middleware. So user login history middleware. Okay, and what it's doing, it's fetching all the users. Okay, I think get users also has the same function without the middleware. Yes. Cargo.toml has a lot of dependencies. Let's remove this. Do we need toml? Think so. Yep. Okay. Let's update our middleware. So user login history. What does it do? It takes the token, and when the token is there, from user login history, it gets us user login history and passes it. Okay. User login history. Okay. And if I were to go in example, get user details. So we don't want fetch all. We want fetch one, the one with the user login history. Okay, so this becomes user, and then this becomes fetch one, and then here we can do something like dot where id equals user login history user id. Perfect. Get all user details. So we are sending just one DB response. Okay. And get users. Get users is allowed to return all the data. That's good. Let's do cargo now. Okay. Users all coming from example. So examples we're going to use, and we also configured for get all user details. Okay. Here we have selected for where ID, login history, user ID. So this should be giving us only that corresponding user. Okay, let's go back to main and let's open Thunder client. Yeah. So let's first start with details. Here, if you see, we are required to provide config.toml. So login history middleware we are required to provide token as a field. So if we have the token field correctly configured, we don't have to worry about anything else. So I've taken this token from my database. Hide this for a minute and hit the send request. We got 200 and no response as of now. We'll have to see why that's happening. User details. Okay, let's check user/all and we get Prakash. Okay, so that is good. We were to go into user details. Okay, details all. If the user is there, details all is the one from example. Okay, so if we were to go back to Thunder client and provide it with details slash all, okay, we got that corresponding user. Perfect. Maybe we should remove the duplicate entries. So this function is good for us. We will remove the details one and put it way here. Get users is just a placeholder, empty. So comment this post users. Now it looks perfect. Actually runnable functions, the one coming from example. So example should be giving us only two functions. First, get all user details. We should update the name, get user details. This is good. And then get all users. Okay, this is good. And if we go in main, this should be get user details. Oh, perfect. That's great.